Hi, we're going to do an installation here today of the Seeboard's Helm pad, which is a fatigue mat, an anti-fatigue mat, helps in boating safety and comfort. Today we're going to install one on this Intrepid, and we have our materials laid out here. Basically all we need for the installation is some tape and some shim sticks, which is going to help us put the Seeboard's Helm pad on this boat helm deck, and it is held in place by these patented connectors which help hold it in position, and as you'll see later, allow for adjustment, height adjustment of the Seeboard's platform system. Okay, so to get started here, what we're going to do is we're going to put our platform, we're going to put our connectors on the pad, snap in place. I'm going to lay it in position on the boat deck. I think it's about the correct position where we want it. And now mark where it's going to sit on the boat deck. Do the other side here. Okay, now we know where we want it sitting on the floor, and we're going to now take this alcohol pad and clean the area so we get good adhesion. Okay. Just dry it a little bit. Make sure it's okay. Now we're going to peel off the connectors, so it'll expose the tape. And once that's done, you're ready to adhere these to the floor or the deck. Okay, 1, 2. Great. Four. Okay. Now, so that if we hold it in the right position, we're going to use these shim sticks. And we're going to put them in about the same position where the platform is going to go on the boat deck. This will hold the connectors off the floor until we get it properly positioned. Make any last minute adjustments here. Make sure it's exactly where we want it. Okay. Now when we remove the shim sticks, we'll push it down. We'll do this side over here. Position. Push down on it. And now our helm pad is fastened to the boat deck. To remove it for storage or cleaning, or to put it in position, simply fasten it down on the boat deck. Okay. Thank you for watching.